Oh, this was interesting. Remember we were reporting on the fact that you couldn't find Jack Ma for a while? You could scroll up. I don't know. The link that I sent you halfway through the article.
Oh.
You can scroll to the very top. So you couldn't find Jack Ma for a while because he had he had a little mix up there with the government over that IPO, the financial products and whatever, all these factors. So he kind of took some time off, or at least played it low key.
People thought he was missing.
Yeah, they thought he was missing for a bit. Anyway, he's been spending a lot of time in this region of China, south part of China, which they call the Hawaii of China. And we talked about it when we had Vin over here because he's been there before. And I was always curious about it because I was like, what do you mean you got a Hawaii in China? No one ever talks about that. Well, that's where Jack Ma's apparently been hanging out. And he's been golfing and he's still laying low. Like, yes, he made a public appearance. He was on the video chat, but he's still been laying low. And anyway, I thought it was interesting to take a look at where he has been laying low. An inside look at Hainan, the Hawaii of China. He's been staying at a 5-star resort for recent weeks. This place called the Hawaii of China, the city that has most of the features, the resort features called Sanya, surfing, luxury shopping, and yachting, popular activities. Now, geographically, if you're wondering where this is, Will, you can scroll down. There is a map, which, look at the water over there. I mean, it really does.
Yeah.
They got all the hotels.
It's great.
They got all the hotels, apparently, and they'll even let you visit, Will, without a visa.
Really?
To try to encourage tourism to this region. They're making it easy on you, the Chinese government. Did you get to the map? Did you scroll right past the map?
No.
You did, Will. It was the second. It's the second picture. Man. One more. What? You didn't get the map. It should be after this one. Whoa, you didn't get the map. Anyway,
Okay, well, I'll look for it.
You're reloading. It is China's smallest and southernmost province, made up of more than 200 islands. Damn. Business Insider broke.
Sure.
Or got rid of their map. Anyway, they've got, a lot of luxury hotels. I don't know. I think there's like a Four Seasons. And in 2018, the Chinese president designated Hainan as China's largest free trade zone and introduced new subsidized housing and fast-track work visas to attract new residents. The government announced in 2018 that Americans could visit for up to 30 days without a visa. I presume Canadians might be included in the same thing. Anyway, that's where...
Straight-up island.
Yeah, it's made up of a bunch of islands. You can see the big island there. And, you're actually quite far south there, even though you're in China. You know, you scroll out and you look over to the east and you see you're further south than Vietnam. Or you're right, sort of right around Vietnam area there. That's hot stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you're almost the same as the Philippines over there. And I've been to, look, when I'm in Hong Kong, I'm dying, I'm sweating.
Yeah.
When I'm in Hong Kong, I'm looking for ice water.
Yes.
Maybe more Shenzhen than Hong Kong, but I'm looking for ice water when I'm there in the summer. But anyway, this particular region apparently popular with those that live in the north part of China. And then the winter hits and they head over there, like it's some kind of Florida type situation. And also Russians. So much so that a lot of the menus have the Russian language on there as well, because the Russians like to go and vacation down there as well.
Nice.
So anyway, I don't know why this was interesting to me. But if you're looking for Jack Ma, that's where he's at.